We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will unbox this DJI RSC2 gimbal. So first, let's just go ahead and open the box. Here on top you have this protective cap, foam cap to be precise. Here is the gimbal, all its accessories, and well, just everything that you'll get from the box. In my particular case, I do not have the manual in the box, but that's because we lost it, but that's fine, you'll get yours, do not worry. In my particular edition, you'll get the tripod that allows you, well, the tabletop tripod to be precise, that you can like that, mount the gimbal on top, and it will stay stationary and, well, just a regular tripod, not much to talk about. What else? Here we also have the camera planks, 2 of them to be precise. That's the thing that you screw below the camera that it stays on. As you can clearly see, one is higher, one is lower. That's made due to all camera and camera lenses being different. So sometimes for certain camera lenses, if the lens is like long and big, not like this one for example, you'll probably need a higher stand. But if you have something standard below 20, that should this smaller plate should do. Next we have this mountain rack that is mounted onto the gimbal and that the camera is mounted on. Here it is. Wires, a very default thing to have. One of them is Type-C to micro USB. This one is used to connect the gimbal to camera or camera to gimbal, as you please. And another one is USB to Type-C, that is, and that's the charging wire. You also get an additional screw. Once again, I'm not sure how many screws you'll get in your particular box, since mine is, as you can see, a little bit deprived of manual at the very least, but also from the screws. But well, that's also a very great thing to get. Those gel packagings, you know, the desiccant silica gel. So it's also very thoughtful of DJI to put those inside. And well, everything but the gimbal has been taken out. So let's now let's look at the gimbal. Here it is, and that's what it looks like. Now let's close it in, and well, here you have it. I will not show how to, well, balance it or set it up, since in this video, since I will record another videos for it. So if you want to get some help on balancing this thing, on setting it up, on connecting it to your phone, on using it, so just we kindly invite you to visit our YouTube channel, that is Hard Reset, and you'll find those videos, or probably you'll get them recommended to you anyways. So yep, as far as this particular unboxing goes, I guess I can call it a day. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.